In Japan, bento boxes are commonly brought for lunch every day, especially during seasonal events. Homemade bento are very popular, personalized, and enjoyed. Chara-ben, originally made to resemble a child's favorite character, have evolved into intricate and adorable art forms. Common ingredients like rice, eggs, and carrots are used to create these designs. Vegetable cutters are easily found at dollar stores, making it simple to create shapes like hearts. Japan is also famous for its seafood. And nori, seaweed, is often used to create black details. Using colorful vegetables not only makes the bento visually appealing, but also adds nutritional value when combined with rice and nori. While creating elaborate chara-ben daily might be challenging, simple designs like apple rabbits or octopus-shaped wieners are easy and effective. These side dishes occasionally appear in animated films distributed abroad. Japanese people have an amazing ability to transform simple things into works of art. Nowadays, chara-ben are not just for kids. There are many sophisticated designs created for adults. However, as bento are meant to be eaten within a few hours, art is sometimes ephemeral. Let's look at many Kyara-ben from here on out. Do you have a favorite type of bento? Please let us know what you think.